In 2008, a man used Craigslist to pull off one of the most brilliant armored car heists ever. Anthony Curcio spent months watching a Bank of America in Washington. He timed the guards, he studied every camera, but his master plan was pure genius. He posted fake job listings on Craigslist for construction work. The catch? Everyone had to wear yellow safety vests, blue shirts, and safety goggles to the interview. The interview location? Right across from the bank he planned to rob. On robbery day, dozens of people showed up dressed exactly the same. Curcio wore the identical outfit. He pepper sprayed the guard, grabbed a money bag, and disappeared into the crowd of confused job seekers. Then he escaped on an inner tube down a creek. Police had no way to pick him out from all the decoys. The plan was flawless, until his own partner turned him in for the $50,000 reward. The most creative heist in history, destroyed by greed.